Working with a script helps me to organize and structure the presentation. That's going to have a profound effect on the timings, placing my introduction, and everything else, and it makes the workflow much faster. One of the external things that I do to prepare for creating a video is to actually write a script. And I write a script for two reasons. Number one, I'm going to use this as a transcript for the video on my website. So if somebody wants to know exactly what I've said or anything, then they can go and they can download a copy of that. From the script, after I write it in the word processor, I will generate an HTML document, and I'll also create a PDF document that can be downloaded. And for me, a script is really a good thing to have simply because of the fact that when I get to narrating a video, if I don't have either a script or an outline, I will trip over my words and do all kinds of things. So when I have a script, I know what I'm going to say. And knowing what I'm going to say helps two things. Number one, it gives me a structure to move over to the presentation I'm doing in Pinnacle Studio. And then the second thing is that it's going to help me place exact points where I'm going to put my titles, and it's going to give me exact points where I'm going to transition those titles. And I'm going to start demonstrating that here in a minute. But I write the script and I put that in the folder. I talked about having a project folder, and let me bring that up here. So inside each of my folders, I'm going to have one for the script, and I've already put a copy of the one in there that I'm going to be working with. So this is the one I'm working with, and we'll get into that here in just a minute. But for me, a script is just really a good tool to allow me to get what I need to get into the video without stumbling and tripping over words and things like that. And it's bad enough, even with a script. So once I have my script written and it's ready to go, I'm now ready to move back into Pinnacle Studio and start some of those internal things and actually configure the workspace for what I need to do. In the next video, I'll set up the workspace to begin creating and laying out the presentation.